What's up YouTube, this is migaverage here coming at you with a new video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing on this Yu-Gi-Oh! Chaos box that I found at Walmart the other day. Pretty stoked about this. It comes with 4 booster packs, 4 duelist packs, and 1 figure hand, which I wonder if it's going to be this ultimate Blue Eyes White Dragon or if it's going to be something else. But regardless of what it is, it's going to be awesome. So this is a set that it comes with, and then the 4 duelist packs right here, and yeah, and then the 4 booster packs. Hopefully we get something cool. Not sure what to look exactly for it, but let's hope we get some cool pulls. Let's get this open as careful as possible. I got my black gloves on to protect the condition of the cards, so y'all don't worry about anything. All right, now open, and let's put this aside. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. It looks so nice. Yu-Gi Dark Magician, nice and clear. Alright, enough admiring the box. Let's get to the contents. Okay, pretty big box for what it is, and let's just pour these out. And oh, okay, sweet. I see a Yu-Gi figure. Oh, that's pretty cool. I thought it was gonna be a Blue Eyes, but regardless, can we get the focus on there, please? Or not? Well, I guess that's the best it's gonna get. But that's cool. We got a Yu-Gi figure. What appears to be from the, there we go, focus. With the Battle City Duel Desk. That's super cool. Nice. Not focusing very well as well. There we go. Nice. Pretty detailed for a small figure. Not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but we'll leave them over here for moral support. How about that? And then let's check out the packs we got here. We got Duelist Pack Kaiba, Duelist Pack Kaiba, our Destiny Soldiers, Duelist Pack Kaiba. Okay, so it's not specifically what the box said. We got 4 Duelist Packs Kaiba. Okay, Raging Tempest, and another Raging Tempest, and Extreme Force. Okay, let me just double check. I don't think I read that right. Probably I just got misguided by the picture, but whatever it is, you know, it's all good. I think Walmart packages these themselves, I think, for what they don't sell. Not sure. But whatever the fact, we got 4 Duelist Packs, 4 Duelist Pack Kaiba, and we're gonna unbox these right now. Let's see. Let's save the packs for later. I'm not sure which one's more rare, but just because I like Kaiba, I'm gonna wait on that one. Let's go start with Extreme Force, shall we not? So Extreme Force. Whoa, getting tore up over here. Alright. So, Watts Kinetic Puppeteer, Mahjong Munia Maidens, Tindangle Hound, Nagel's Protection, and ooh, secret rare, Pendulum Paradox. Add 2 face-up pendulum monsters with the same pendulum scale but different names. From your extra deck to your hand, you can only activate 1 Pendulum Paradox per turn. Okay. Nice. And a rare Vandred Charge. There. Okay, cool. And a Link. Underclock Taker. Deity Seeker. And Lockout Gardener. So, let's put the commons. First of all, let's put the secret right there, and then the rare right there. And I got some sleeves over here off screen that I'm gonna put this secret in, so you all know that these are gonna be in mint condition. And everything you see here is gonna go on my eBay shop, so make sure to check that out. Link in the description to get any of these cards. Oops, sorry, Yugi. All right. Let's go Raging Tempest. kind of know what kind of what was kind of good in this set. What was it? Grass is Greener, maybe? I mean, that was good when that came out. Crystron Ryan, Cyber Tudumon, Zodiacs, that's what it was. Zodiacs, maybe a Virage. And okay, Windwitch, Crystal Bell, and a Neo Galaxy Cypher Dragon. Sweet, super rare. Damn, look at the freaking stick on that. Alright, that's cool, that's cool. Super Soldier Synthesis, Super Soldiers, Beginning of Heaven, that's a Super Soldier right there. And Machine Angel Absolute Ritual. Damn, a lot of ritual stuff from those Super Soldiers, I'm assuming. And Shinobi Bird Crow. So, Crystron. Also, the Crystron that came out in this, I believe. And, let's get a sleeve for this border right here. Put that right there. And the Neo Galaxy Cypher Dragon. Let's give him a sleeve too. Perfect. Alright. Next pack. Next Raging Tempest. Let's see what else we get. For you guys. Alright. Mechanical Archfiend. Eater of Millions. Zodiac Bunny Blast. Oh, okay. I said Shinobird Salvation. Lost Wind. And for super rare, Subterra Behemoth Dragosauri. Subterra is also in this set. Shinobird's Calling, Shinobird Pigeon, and Ritual Beast Return. Okay. And that Lost Wind. And the Subterra. Oh, that's cool. Flip. That's what it has now on the description now. That's cool. Alright, so let's sleeve these up. I'm not sure if I should be sleeving up these rares, but just in case, because you never know. The rares sometimes, you know, are somewhat valuable. I'm gonna look that up later. Alright, and then last booster pack here is Destiny Soldier, so, you know, Destiny stuff. Or hero stuff, right? Destiny hero stuff. Ooh, I don't like that. Alright, Destiny Hero Plasma. That's pretty cool. Doomsday Horror. Fires of Doomsday. Ooh, Destiny and Dragoon. That's awesome. And Secret Dark Lord Tezcatlipoca. Whatever. Alright, so that was one of those packs that had all those rares in there, or supers. So let's just box those up. I don't like that they're kind of curved. I feel like that's what happens with these super rare cards when they're all in packs together. But, you know, what you're gonna do. You guys saw it. I didn't bend them. They came in like that from the pack. Oop, come on, dude. There we go. I'm gonna look up how to pronounce that guy's name later. Come on, Plasma. Don't be like that. There we go. So we got here. I'm not really organizing these as much. These were the super rares, right? And these were the rares. And the secrets. Alright, let's try to set this up. Alright, cool. So now let's go on to the Duelist Pack Kaiba. So we got 4 of those. Let's go. See what we got. Alright, Floater Summoning Dragon, Judgman, Lord of D, and oh, look at that Malefic Blue Eyes White Dragon. Awesome, in a cost down. Malefic Blue Eyes White Dragon. How's the Ultra there? We'll just put him with the secrets. Trying to scoot the commons over there. Cost down, why not? Just leave you, bad boy. Yugi, what you doing? Come back here. I know it's Kaiba, but you gotta show some love too. Alright. This one opened a little funky. Alright, so Enraged Battle Ox, Ring of Defense, Magic Reflector. Ooh, a super rare Blue Eyes White Dragon. Oh, that's awesome. And a Kaiser Glider. I always liked Kaiser Glider. I feel like he didn't get as much love as he should have. I mean, at the time when this came out, there was so many 24 beat sticks, like one tribute beat stick, so its effect was pretty cool for what it was at the time. But I feel like there should be some archetype support for this dude now. So that's the effect right there. If you guys don't know what it did, but you know, this back in the day kind of had some give. And yeah, come on Konami, make some support for Kaiser Glider. Kaiser Glider archetype. Magic Reflector, Interdimensional Matter Transporter, Source Stalker, and oh, okay, common Enraged Battle Ox, and a Vampire Lord. Not bad. I'm just double checking if any of these were rare. Vampire Lord was cool too. The archetype for it was a little weak, but you know, Konami, they do their best, right? Last pack. I feel like the Duelist Pack Kaiba got a lot of good cards in there. Hopefully this is no exception and we get something even better here. So, Lord of D, Sagi the Dark Clown, Cloning, and a Lajin, Mystical Genie of the Lamp, and to finish off, Peyton the Dark Clown. Damn, Peyton. I'll sleeve you up too. Why not, Pete? We got you. We got you. Okay. What the heck? There we go. I want Pete. Alright, so that's it for that. Try to get these cards out of the comments. I mean, you know, pretty simple stuff, uneventful. And then for the rares, quick recap. Peyton the Dark Clown, Vampire Lord, Kaiser Glider, archetype, come on guys. Cost Down, Lost Wind, Wind Witch Crystal Bell, and Vendred Charge. And then for our supers, we got Blue Eyes White Dragon. Ooh, look at that shininess. Can't really tell, but it's rare, alright. A super rare. And then a Soter Behemoth Dragossery, Neo Galaxy Cypher Dragon, Destiny Hero Plasma, Destiny End Dragoon, Fires of Doomsday, and Doomsday Horror from the Fusion Pack. And then the Secret Rare and Super or Ultra Rare. Come on, man. This dude, just because I can't pronounce his name, he won't let himself get it up, picked up. Dark Lord Tezcatlipoca for the secret, and Pendulum Paradox for another secret. Why can't you tell that they're secret? You can barely tell. That sleeve really blinds it. And the ultra rare from the Duelist Pack, Malefic Blue Eyes White Dragon. Sweet. And we can't forget of our cool, awesome keychain figure. Yugi. It's crazy. We got Yugi on the pack, and Yugi as a figure in all the packs are Kaiba packs. Not one Yugi pack, but what you gonna do? Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and everything here, at least comment wise. Cards, I'll probably put those up later, but everything that's here is going to be on my eBay shop, so make sure to check that out in the description. And yeah, alright guys, take it easy and comment, like, and subscribe. I'm sorry if I'm saying that a lot, but it would really help out the channel. And if my camera would focus, oh my gosh. Alright, awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Thanks.